of the global population have sleep problems. Now my question to you, do you have sleep problems too? Do you?
Yes.
Heart problems! Yes,
Heart
example.
problems.
Yes, I think heart problems, this can also help you. But we will share you more about Swiss Proli Night.
I love you guys. Thank you, thank you. You know what? This is really a special day for everybody with the Swiss Proli family. I just want to call the whole team of Swiss Proli. Maraming salamat. Ian, Kaka, Sir Watch, Kuya Mac, thank you. Without them, wala itong event na ito. So thank you, thank you. And for, kung alam niyo lang po, after our Lean Quick event na naging successful tonight, this is really special, not just for us, but for everybody, because it will really help you to have that good night's sleep.
You know what, Julia? I actually tried the gummies very recently. I hosted kasi the event at the farm, and I've been using them almost every night now. And I have to tell all of you, I don't speak for all the scientists out there, pero may melatonin sa loob. So you're gonna be able to sleep very well at night. This is the perfect way to get that nice dream sleep. You don't want to have nightmares. You want to have beautiful memories in your dreams. And that's how you tease an exciting new product. Now, Julia, I have to ask, what makes Swiss Proli Night so special for you?
For me, because hindi lang talaga siya pampatulog. It has ashwagandha and L-theanine na makakatulong sa atin to relax. Because every time na we have that stressful long day after work, you need to have that relaxed, calm sense muna before you have that good night's sleep. And let's all be honest, it's not just self-care na you just take care of yourself physically. It's also mentally, and kailangan talaga natin ng good night's sleep.
That is always very, very